sight of a tricolored Indian national flag waving in the blue skies on Independence Day, Republic Day, at Red Fort, at Indian Army posts, at any government buildings, in the hands of the soldiers, at Wagah border, or any international forum gives an immense feeling of pride to any Indian. But there is an interesting story behind the national flag, something common that binds all these flags at all these places. I was in Hubli on my journey routes of India and decided to visit KKGSS Bengari to find out the connection between Bengari and the Indian national flag. Located at a distance of just 4 kilometers from Hubli district of Karnataka is a small village called Bengari, a name that is unheard of even in Hubli. But the village holds a very significant place in the modern history of India and in fact in the modern India. The interesting fact is KKGSS or the Karnataka Khadi Gram Udyog Samyukt Sangha Bengari happens to be the only authorized national flag manufacturing unit of India. Yes, you heard that right. KKGSS is certified by Khadi and Village Industries Commission of India as the sole manufacturer and supplier of the Indian flag to the entire country. KKGSS was founded on 1st November 1957 and the National Flag Manufacturing Unit was set up in 2004. In 2006, not only did it get the award of excellence for its overall performance but also got certified by the Bureau of Indian Standards. All the flags here are manufactured as per the BIS standards, which is not an easy task as any defect in the flags, be it color, size, thread count, strength of yarn, fastness of the colors used for dyeing, anything is considered as a serious offense and is liable for a fine or imprisonment or both as per the provisions of Flag Code of India 2002. Another interesting fact about the place is that these flags are manufactured by only a handful of women workers. But every flag I am making now, I will remember all my life, since these are going to be saluted by big people, our soldiers, common people, and looked at with respect by millions of people of India, said a proud female worker during a short interaction that I had with her.
Bike se
Bike in Bangalore Road sir.
Just to meet you and know about this place.
I also got a chance to meet the freedom fighter Dr. Patil Puttappaji, also called as Papu with Love, at KKGSS and take his blessings. Meeting a freedom fighter was one of the rarest and proudest moments of my life, as few years down the line we would only be able to read and hear stories about them. With memories of a lifetime, blessings of a freedom fighter, and 2 national flags, ISI marked national flags, it was time to leave Bengari for my next destination, that was Hampi, and an interesting story was waiting there too. Stay tuned.